When it comes to preparing delicious, healthy meals, the cookware you choose matters just as much as the ingredients. This Jeetee Non-Stick Sauce Pan with lid is a must-have addition to any kitchen. Designed with innovation and health in mind, this set of 1.5 quart and 2.5 quart saucepans redefines convenience, durability, and performance. Let's dive deep into what makes this cookware an ideal choice for every home cook. The Jeetee Sauce Pan boasts a sleek beige finish, combining aesthetics with functionality. Its non-stick granite coating ensures food doesn't cling, making it easy to cook delicate dishes like custards and sauces. The coating is PFOA-free, ensuring a toxin-free cooking experience. Constructed with versatility in mind, this saucepan is compatible with all stovetops, including in gas, electric, and ceramic, making it adaptable for any kitchen setup. Features that set it apart. 1. Non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking is often the most dreaded part of meal prep. The Jeetee saucepan's high-quality non-stick coating ensures effortless cleaning, with no stubborn food residues left behind. A soft sponge is all you need to restore its pristine condition. 2. Versatile stove compatibility. Whether you're using a traditional gas stove, a sleek induction cooktop, or even an infrared multi-head stove, these pans ensure quick and even heating, saving you both time and energy. 3. Health-focused design. The granite coating is free from harmful chemicals like cadmium, lead, and PFOA, making it a safe choice for health-conscious families. Cook with confidence knowing your meals are free from toxins. 4. Ergonomic and practical design. Equipped with Bakelite handles, these pans provide excellent heat insulation and a comfortable grip, minimizing the risk of burns. The double-sided spout design allows for mess-free pouring, whether you're serving sauces or soups. 5. Excellent customer support. Jeetee stands by their commitment to quality. In the rare case of shipping-related defects, they offer a seamless refund or replacement process, ensuring complete customer satisfaction. Cooking experience. Performance and versatility. From simmering soups to creating delectable sauces, the Jeetee saucepans excel in every task. The even heat distribution prevents hot spots, ensuring consistent results every time. Their compact size makes them perfect for small batches or specialized dishes like caramel or bechamel sauce. Pro tip: use wooden or silicone utensils to preserve the integrity of the non-stick coating for years to come. Pros and cons. Pros: effortless cleaning with a durable non-stick coating. Healthy and safe granite coating free from harmful chemicals. Ergonomic handles for a secure and comfortable grip. Compatible with all stove types. Excellent heat distribution and retention. Cons: requires careful handling to avoid damage to the non-stick surface. Not suitable for use with sharp utensils or abrasive cleaning tools. Why choose Jeetee Saucepan? The Jeetee Saucepan is more than just cookware. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Perfect for busy professionals, health-conscious individuals, and passionate home chefs alike. It combines style, performance, and safety into one affordable package. Conclusion: a game changer for your kitchen. This Jeetee Non-Stick Sauce Pan with lid is not just another kitchen tool, it's an investment in convenience, safety, and performance. With its high-quality granite coating, this saucepan allows you to cook healthier meals without worrying about toxic chemicals or sticking food. The thoughtful design features, including ergonomic Bakelite handles and a versatile double-sided spout, enhance your cooking experience by making it both easier and more efficient. Whether you're an aspiring home chef or someone who simply enjoys cooking for the family, this saucepan's exceptional heat distribution ensures perfectly cooked meals every time. What truly sets the Jeetee saucepan apart, however, is its overall versatility and durability. It works on all types of stovetops, from induction to gas, and even infrared multi-head stoves. Plus, its non-stick surface makes cleaning a breeze, no more soaking or scrubbing stubborn stains. You can say goodbye to sticky messes and hello to a hassle-free kitchen experience. If you're looking for a reliable, health-conscious, and easy-to-use saucepan that will make every cooking task a joy, the Jeetee Non-Stick Saucepan with lid is the perfect addition to your kitchen. With its excellent craftsmanship, practical features, and commitment to customer satisfaction, it's truly a product that offers incredible value. Don't miss out. Elevate your cooking game today and enjoy the benefits of this top-tier saucepan. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.